Having a bad Seagate drive? Do not worry. I will tell you how to get a replacement drive in warranty period. There are two different methods to get a replacement drive. In the first method, you will have to visit the Seagate website and follow the RMA or warranty claiming link. You will then have to create your own Seagate account. Once that's done, you will request for RMA. You will then receive an email from Seagate with the address where you will have to ship the bad drive. They will check the drive and then ship you back the replacement drive. This can be a little longer process, and that's why I myself got the replacement drive using the second method, which is much easier, and all the links are given in the description box below for easier process. In the second method, you will have to visit the nearby authorized service center. You can find all the list of authorized service center here, and the link is also present in the description box below. At the authorized service center, they will do some basic drive checks and do some basic paperwork. It took approximate of 20 to 30 minutes in my case, and then I was handled the replacement drive. Now this drive was also packed like a new one in an anti-static wrapped plastic bag, but it was a recertified or refurbished drive. However, this replacement drive is working better than the new one which I had bought from Amazon. So these were the two options or methods to get a replacement drive from Seagate in warranty period. If you found this helpful and useful, please click on that like button and also subscribe for more such amazing videos.